Hello guys, before we get started, the first thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel and then hit this notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a brand new video. Let's get ready to get into the training. What's going on guys? Willie DJarnett here again. Guys, I wanted to do a quick video on setting up your WordPress blog. I want to create a WordPress blog and I want to create it from scratch. Excuse me. And I just want to show you my process of being able to create a WordPress blog. The first thing I want to show you guys, the first thing you need to do is get a domain. Now, this tutorial is not designed for to teach you how to come up with your domain name. I'll have a link in the description that shows you how to do that. I will have that link in the description. Now this is the place where I get my domains from, and I'll just pop that up in the up in up in the browser. It's a little bit cheaper than GoDaddy. I do have a GoDaddy account, but this is the to me it's a cheaper way to go if you're just starting out in a business. So I was just showing you that, and I can have that link in the description below too. So guys, this is who I use. So and I do use GoDaddy, but when I first started out, this is who I use. So that will be good to do. So what I'm going to do is when you do get started and you register for your domain, the first thing that you have to do once you go inside, I'm going inside, you have to change your name servers to whatever hosting that you have. And we're going to get into that here in this video. And I'm just going to show you the domain that we're going to set up today right here. This is an old domain that I use for training purposes. So we're gonna go in and show you where you set up your DNS so it direct you to the hosting. See, these the hosting address that I'm going to use for far as my domain. So guys, you can go ahead and get started in that area. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to go to my hosting site. I already got this open up to speed up the process, and and I'll have the links below of who I have my hosting. And I know a lot of bloggers teach you how to go to Bluehost, which is fine if that's where you want to go. It's a affordable plan, but sometimes you look at that plan and it says 5.99. Guys, you don't realize you're paying for 5.99 for an entire year. So bear in mind that's what you're doing. Plus, if you don't have a domain, you can buy through those guys. Me, I like this solution better. Reasoning being, I get the opportunity to have my hosting, my autoresponder, my tracking, my templates. I mean, I got a lot of things in one software where you're not having bills for when you got to pay for this over here, you got to pay for that over there, you got to pay for that over there. I just like mine's in one account. So that's just me. So that's just how I do it. So let's go ahead, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and set up this blog, and we're gonna do this is gonna be WordPress format, and I'm gonna title this video is how to create a blog in WordPress, and this is for the beginners. So let's add a domain. Let me see. Let me make sure I do that. Add a domain. And you see I've already got domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that domain that I kind of use for a test site to show you guys how we're going to do it. And my DNSs are already directed to this site. So we're going to come in here and we're just going to add a domain. All right. Cool. Now let's go back to the cPanel. And this is what I like about this, guys. Everything is right here, right there in your face. I love it like that. Okay, now let's go in and we're gonna put, and all of this is right here. All the scripts are right here, guys. Look at there. Now we're gonna set up a WordPress blog. Simple and quick. Simple and quick. And let's come here and let's get down to what we want to do. All right, let's go install now. Now we can go ahead and set up what domain we're going to use. That was new web, and I want to use it with the www. Cool. All right. Now we can come in and you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and title this. We can go ahead and title it. Just this is just for training purposes. Let's go ahead and we're gonna put it on its own folder. Cool. And this is just a training blog, and it will be taken down. I take everything off once I take you guys through this tutorial. We're gonna do a username of this, and we'll do it like this so we'll know. All right, let's go through and we'll just pick out. I always pick these templates out. This is just to get started, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I think in this particular program, it has 344 different templates you can choose. So we're gonna just pick this. Nope, we're not going to save that. And let's go ahead and install. And man, can you believe it? Look at there. What a easy way to create a WordPress blog. Wow. Let's just open it up. Guys, we're there. And let's see what that template look like, that temporary template. There we go. Man, nice little template. Look, man, it is just that quick. Just that quick. Look how, look at there. It is just that quick. We have created a WordPress blog. That's why I like using this hosting company that I'm using, and plus it has auto response. It's got a lot of it's got a lot of different things with it. Okay, cool guys. Now, hey guys, I'm back. I had to pause the video because I didn't take you through to show you all of the themes that you can get in the back office. I just went ahead and installed that theme and I deleted it and started over because I wanted to show you guys all of the themes that it has. Look here, when you stroll through here, look at there. There are a lot of themes in here. You can just keep strolling. And I won't take you all the way to the end, guys. What we'll do is we'll just look at all these themes that you can select from, that you can look through. So just taking a look at it, and then you can preview it too. But I just want to pause the video to make sure you do have that choice, and we'll reinstall it so you can see that choice right quick. It won't take us but a second. Let's go ahead and reinstall this, guys. I just want you to know that that you do have that, and we'll pause the video so you don't need to watch this again. I just want to go back and show you you have a selection of themes you can use for your WordPress blog that's already within this system. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, we got our theme up, and we're gonna kind of go through it and look at it and just take a look at what we got already installed. Okay, here we got our WordPress installation. I do want to go ahead and install a couple installations. We will do this contact form. I won't do the Elementor because I think It's a page builder, and they gonna want you to upgrade, you know. So cool. We don't need this while we're starting out. And I know it's a few plugins that we gonna need, and I can remember that right off the bat. You're gonna need your SEO. It's a host plugin for to do your search engine optimization. So you will need that plugin. There we go. Yoast. You want to go ahead and install that because you're gonna need that later on. We're gonna go ahead and install that now. Cool. So we got that, and let's take a look at all this. And then right here, you need to activate your Estimate anti-spam because once your Bob starts to get populated, you're gonna do that, and we can do that on a separate video. I don't want to make this video just extremely too long, and you can just take bite size to learn this knowledge. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and one other thing that we need to do for you guys just beginning, just remember you got to get that Yoast plugin, and let's go over here to our settings, our permalink. You see this right here, guys? It's gonna naturally code to. It's gonna default to this way of using the WordPress block. You want it to go to post name, and then what you do is just save. Cool, and you're cool. And let's go. I think they're gonna have one post. Let's take. I think it's already have one post. This is a sample post. We can go in here and look at it, and it's just saying hello world. That's a standard installation uh post. So the hello world deal. And you know what? We'll just preview it. Here we go, guys. This is our sample post and things of that nature. And guys, I'll do another video tutorial on kind of going in and cleaning up and making it look pretty. You know, that would be really what's nice. This is just a standard theme, guys. And for the beginners, you can go ahead and start out with your standard theme, and you can go ahead and fix it up. And you probably need to get about 10 posts before you get started in this area. So guys, I hope just a little bit of this installation was enough to you, and hopefully it helped you out and you can get started. I'll have all the links where you can go ahead and get started. If you do not have a host, you can go with the one that I'm going with. It's very affordable, guys. Take care. Have a blessed night.